Welcome back. Today we're going to finish the demolition, hopefully, and get the rest of the trash taken out. We got the dumpster emptied, so we should have plenty of room to do that. I got a helper coming today to help get everything cleaned up. So just follow with me and we'll see some progress. Do people believe you? I guess. Believe that you actually do work? It's stuck, man, in his place. Alright, we've got all the drywall just about tore out and all the demolitions done. I've had second thoughts on how to do this roof. I was originally going to do a tray ceiling and cut out the bottom boards and lift them up, but I've since decided on doing away with that and just making it cathedral throughout. So here we're building a beam in place to support the roof because we don't want the roof to fall down on us. We have got most all this cleaned out. You can see we've opened this all up to the ceiling. Get you back here where you can get a little bit better picture. It's kind of dark in here, but you can see what we have going on. Gonna wrap it up for the day. But we've decided to go and cathedral all the ceilings throughout the house except for the bathrooms and the closets. We put a beam up here to support the roof because, well, has to have something to support it. And put a post back there, 2x4 to hold up the roof so it doesn't fall down. We've got to do a little more cleanup and got to frame up some more wall up here, knee wall to hold the roof, but it's getting ready to, just about got the framing done. We'll get ready to start the floor. The thing about these old houses, when you get starting at them, you don't really know what you're going to be getting in for. And here we obviously have a whole lot of ugly, but when we get done, it's going to be really nice. Click the like button if you like what you see. Click subscribe if you want to keep notification of upcoming videos.